Hi everybody, today I'm going to make a chicken roll. I don't have kitchen rope or mince, but I'm going to make it anyway. One chicken breast, slice it open, pound flat, add some salt, pepper, some garlic, some lemon zest, add some basil, some parsley, some onion, some cheese. Then roll the chicken, then stick in bamboo skewers. Then place chicken in the pan till it's brown. Once it's brown, place it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Then remove the bamboo sticks. Then take a lemon and squeeze it onto the chicken. Then you cut the chicken and that's it.